Hi everyone. I am Espin Sarah. I will be your host for this presentation. It is my pleasure to be at your service. Mitigating procurement risks. Aligning strategies with procurement lifecycle and risk sources. Procurement risks. Procurement risks stem from internal and external factors. Internal procurement risks originate within the organization, including poor procurement planning, internal corruption, financial mismanagement, and compliance failures. External risks arise outside the organization's control, such as supply chain disruptions, market fluctuations, and cybersecurity threats. Procurement risks can arise at any stage of the procurement lifecycle, impacting business operations and financial stability. Identifying and mitigating these risks early is essential for maintaining efficiency and resilience. By implementing targeted mitigation strategies at each stage of the procurement process, organizations can improve supply chain resilience, enhance compliance, and reduce the likelihood of procurement-related failures. Here's how mitigation strategies applied across different lifecycle stages. In need identification and planning stage, the mitigation strategies include structured procurement planning. A clear procurement framework helps prevent misalignment and inefficiencies. Accurate demand forecasting. Predictive analytics and market intelligence forecast procurement needs and align purchases with business goals. Budget control and cost analysis ensure alignment with organizational objectives. Regulatory compliance checks prevent regulatory risks and avoid penalties. In supplier selection and evaluation stage, the mitigation strategies include supplier due diligence by conducting thorough background checks on suppliers. Diverse supplier base, engaging multiple vendors to avoid over-reliance on a single supplier. Ethical and sustainable sourcing policies. Sourcing policies focused on sustainability, fair labor, and environmental standards, with regular audits to ensure compliances through collaboration and feedback. In contract negotiation and approval stage, the mitigation strategies include standardized contract templates with clearly defined terms, pricing structures, and dispute resolution mechanisms. Legal review and risk assessments ensure regulatory compliance and safeguarding against financial and operational risks. Automated contract management. Contract management software track contractual obligations, renewal deadlines, and performance benchmarks to prevent disputes and missed deadlines. In purchase order processing stage, the mitigation strategies include automated PO processing systems. Procurement automation tools reduce errors, standardize purchase orders, and streamline approvals. Approval workflow controls prevent unauthorized spending and enforce procurement policies. Supplier performance metrics involves tracking supplier KPIs to ensure performance. In order fulfillment and supplier performance stage, the mitigation strategies include alternative supplier strategies. Keep a backup supplier network to mitigate risks of disruptions. Quality control and inspection measures. Check goods against agreed standards before acceptance. Real-time tracking and supplier monitoring. Use digital tracking tools and supplier performance dashboards to monitor orders, deliveries, and supplier compliance. In order invoice processing and payment stage, the mitigation strategies include three-way matching process, cross-check invoices with purchase orders and receipts to prevent billing errors. Automated payment scheduling, use financial automation tools for timely, secure vendor payments. Regular financial audits. Periodic audits review procurement expenditures, detect anomalies, and enhance financial transparency. In supplier relationship and contract renewal stage, the mitigation strategies include ongoing supplier performance reviews, regularly evaluate supplier performance based on KPIs. Supplier relationship management programs. Strengthen partnerships through collaboration and feedback. Contract renewal tracking system. Contract lifecycle management tools track renewal deadlines and renegotiate terms before contracts expire, helps avoid disruptions.